Alright, hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. PC Addict 365 here with you. So what we have going on here is I installed my new 1TB SSD drive, and in the last video you may have seen my old drive was a 256 gig SSD, and I went to a 1TB. Well, that space stayed 237 gig on a partition on the new drive, so we weren't able to use it all. So we're gonna try and fix that right now. So we're gonna go to manage, go to start, go to this PC, hit manage, go to disk management, and let it populate all your drives here. So this is the one right here. So what we're gonna do is right click on this, delete this volume. Yes, I want to delete it. And I'll delete that partition. And then I'm going to try and go to this one and extend this one. Alright guys, so I think I found a solution to this, to be able to move this partition over to the right to get this one closer to combine them on our new drive here. And you need to download some software, EASE US Partition Master. Now you can either buy it or go to 1337X and download it from there to try out. I'm not going to explain any more about that, but you can just go there and search for it. And I got version at 12 point something or other, I believe it was. And so here's our disks here. So we need to get this one moved over to the right. So we're just going to click on this little space and click resize move partition. So we need to move it over here. So we're going to increase this a little bit. That way I can grab it, slide it over. Now we'll move it back down. This was at 521 megabytes. So that's what it was before. There was no space after it, so that's what we want. So there we go, 521 megabytes after it. Allocated space right here where we need it. Let's say okay. And now we should be able to apply this. And let's see what happens. We'll let it do its thing. Alright, supposedly that worked. So let's slide this out of the way, minimize it. And there we go. It's right where it should be. This one's right next to this one. So now we can go to our hard drive and extend this volume. Total size and memory. So I believe that is correct. Yes, it will. The disk or partition has been changed. Yes, reload the information. And now, as you can see, now our C drive is 930 gigabytes NTFS. There we go. So now if I go to my computer, click on that, go to this PC, there we go. C drive now has 800 and some gigs free out of 930 total. So that is how you combine partitions and get them to be able to be fully used without having separate partitions when you clone or copy your hard drive over. So hope you guys liked the video. Remember, favorite, like, share, and subscribe. And please give a thumbs up and help support my channel, guys. Trying to get enough views to be able to monetize it. So Alright, thanks a lot. Leave a comment down below if this helped you out. Alright, later.